Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today I have a really special treat for everyone and for myself. I have what started off to be as a subscriber has become a very good friend of mine, and she has sent me a mystery package to go through, and I thought this was just so kind of her, and I just wanted to give a special shout out to her and say thank you so much for this beforehand. I'm just so excited to open this. It's just such a nice, thoughtful thing to do. Also, I want to say thank you to all my other subscribers too, and I do appreciate each and every one of you. Every single time I get a like, a comment, or even a view on a video, I get super excited. So thank you all for being here for me. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I have no idea what to expect. She gave me one teeny tiny clue, but other than that, okay, that is so sweet. Look, she wrapped it in pink tissue paper to keep it extra safe for me. Ooh, I got little bundles in here. Everything's wrapped in little bundles. Okay, wow. Awesome. Look, I have a whole bunch of eyelashes now, and I am going to start getting into putting on these eyelashes and getting it right. I love lashes so much. So why not be able to be good at all of them? So I'm really excited that she gave me this so that I can try to start to learn to be better at normal lashes as well as, oh wow, look at these. Oh, so amazing. And these. Yes, she's given me everything to get started. Look, she even gave me a lash liner, which is the adhesive to these lashes. This is, wow, that is a lot of stuff there. I already wasn't expecting her to send that much. Thank you so much. I love it so far. Let's see what else is in here. And then we have a package inside of a package. So that's, I love that. It's like the little Russian doll things, and then in each side of here we got more individual little prizes. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. So let's see here. Ooh, a concealer. A Santee blendable concealer. I like that. That is cool. Okay, and then we have a plumping gloss, which I'm excited to try. I only have like one lip plumper right now, so this is really nice that I got this, and it's in a solar pink shade. Oh wow. I just want to see what this looks like, so I'm just really excited for it. And it's just like a clear pink gloss. That is absolutely gorgeous. Let's wait and see if I start to feel some of the magic start happening on my hands with the plumpers. Okay, and then we have Hank and Henry Stick With It. And this is a long wearing eyeliner in black. I actually don't have a crazy amount of eyeliners, and I do use it daily, so this is definitely, here's what that looks like. I do apologize about my chipped fingernail polish. Sweet. And then we have a rose tone water. I actually really love rose in my skincare, and I don't have any more of it that I can think of right now. So that was nice. And this, I have one of these, but I absolutely love it. And guess what? They're both small size, so it's absolutely perfect. Maybe I don't have this shade. This is like a little bit more charcoal color than the one that I have. But either way, they're both really small, so I'm going to go through them really quickly. That is neat. Urban Decay 24/7 Glide Liner. Ooh, we got some big stuff in here. Okay, wow. We have a Profusion palette, and it comes with a pretty decent size brush that comes with it. And the case is, look at the sparkles. I've said this a million times. I love sparkles. I'm going to do a couple quick swatches of this. I really like these eyeshadow colors in here. Oh my. Okay, so here are the colors swatched right here. I really love the variety of orange, the different tones that they have in the palette, and the green's absolutely stunning. I am so excited to use this. It looks wonderful. And then I might have taken a sneak peek while I was taking swatches. I couldn't help it. But I was like, I just looked at the back of this palette. And then I looked at the front. This is actually a palette that I've had in my fake cart for shopping for I don't know how many months and have not actually purchased it, but have been wanting to so bad. I can't believe that I own it now. I love Medusa's makeup. Absolutely love Medusa's makeup. And I get to try the Electro palette, which I think is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. I really did want this. This makes me so happy. I really want to swatch these colors. Let me go wipe up these other colors and then I'll come back and swatch this for you. I'll be right back. Okay, I am in love right now. When I say I'm in love right now, I mean I am in love. Look at the sparkle and shine on those babies. Especially that silver right there, and it went on like butter. And it's a sparkle color, which is unusual for sparkle colors like that. I am absolutely blown away. Thank you so much. I haven't even gotten to the whole package yet, and I'm just like, thank you. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is Undress Your Skin Super Shiny Highlight and Bronze Duo. So this actually is real. I don't have a lot of bronzers, which is why I am grateful for this. I am gonna set that over here. I don't want to swatch everything in here because then I'll be covered. Wow. Got another little package in here. Okay, we have another liquid liner, and this one I do believe is in the shade Coffee. So that is really neat. I don't have any brown eyeliners right now, which I would really like for looks like I'm wearing today. Would be very nice. So let's see. And it's a felt tip liner one, which I'm okay with felt tip liners definitely if they are like, oh yeah, definitely. Look at the packaging on this. Oh, that's amazing. I love that. Okay, and then I have Ofra lipstick. Ofra makes some good lipstick, and I love her liquid lipsticks, or the company's liquid lipsticks. I don't know if it's really, Ofra sounds like a lady's name, so Ofra. I love Ofra lipsticks. Oh man. And there is the color. I love colors like that. It looks really good with my blue and my bright eyeshadows when I wear them. And it's such a creamy consistency too. Oops. Oop. Heathers. Next thing I have is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Heathers. Oh, yes. Yes. That is gorgeous. I feel like Christmas came early this year. This is awesome. Okay, we have Velvety Kiss matte lipstick. And it's by Amore's USA. And this is what the packaging looks like on here. And I like that she sent me like different tones for different looks and different times of the year. This is like a little bit will go a long way for sure on this product. But it does have a really nice color, and this one might be able to be pulled off with like the look that I have on today. Okay, next I have Sol Wasso First Care Activating Cream. This serum improves major signs of aging while boosting your routine, featuring Jam Balancing Complex, a cocktail of 5 Korean herbs that soothes, nourishes, firms for a healthy glow. After face wash in the morning and evenings, pump 2 to 3 times on palm. Okay, definitely. That sounds like it's right up my alley, and I actually really like a lot of Korean beauty products. So that is cute. Oh, and we got another one from this company as well. The Sleeky Kiss Plumping Gloss. And this one is in shade, sorry. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. If I can get the thing to go back in there, it kept popping out on me. It's this shade right here. Oh. Okay, this is sweet. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Dior, which I absolutely love Dior. I love their perfumes. They're just a good company. But I haven't been able to really try their makeup out. More like their perfumes and things of that nature. But looks like we have mascaras in here to try out. A base mascara. So a base to put on before your mascara and the mascara. So this is really cool because I've never been able to try anything out from them before. So as far as makeup goes. So I'm really excited about that because they are such a good company. I imagine their makeup will be really amazing as well. So now I get to try it. And next is from Ofra. And it is some banana powder. And I don't own any banana powder. So now I do. And I'm all about trying new things and trying to incorporate new looks and new styles into my makeup routine. So this is definitely a plus for me, and I do like Ofra Cosmetics. Oh, you didn't, girl. Girl, you didn't. I have not even last. There's still more things in here. I have a wonderful Ofra highlighter. And I love Ofra highlighters. They are absolutely gorgeous. I use them all the time, either just on my face, or I'll even take a little bit of it and I'll put it on the inner corner of my eye looks. Depending on what color's in there, I switch it up all the time with the Ofra highlighters. I do not own this in particular highlighter, and I couldn't be more happy to have received it. So thank you for that. And then the last two things, oh wait, I already went over this one. Last thing here is Lip Love. It is a multi-purpose makeup for lips, cheeks, and lids. Oh, that is cool. I'm curious to see what this color looks like now. Oh, yep. I do love that. I love me some gold and some sparkles. It's this one right here at the top. Sorry about that. I could definitely see that as using it as an eyeshadow. That is really pretty, but I would even like to use that as a lip gloss or even a highlighter if possible. I do like liquid highlighters. If this isn't safe to use on your face, I would imagine it's safe to use as a highlighter as well. Anyways, I am so overjoyed with this package. Thank you so much for sending that to me. I had so much fun unboxing. I'm going to have so much more fun even playing with it. Thank you again. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.